Hi, today we're going to be looking at the first class for child mental health. We're going to be talking about developmental psychopathology and the art and science of psychoanalysis. Now, um, developmental psychology is an integration of biopsychosocial and genetic viewpoints. We have the DSM, the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual, which looks at kind of categorizes and describes various syndromes, all the psychiatric syndromes. We're going to be looking at the DSM-5 quite a bit over the course of this semester. And it is, as indicated, in its fifth iteration, and each of those has taken several years and a wide assortment of researchers to come up with categories that best describes our understanding at the given year and a given time of various syndromes that we will see. Uh, in developmental perspective, or developmental, or what we call the aberrations of normal, uh, you will see that we have expectations of normal development and aberrations.